Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into JuiceBox app to optimize charging schedules, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the JuiceBox app downloaded on your mobile device. Open the JuiceBox app by tapping its icon. You will be greeted by the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. Make sure that your password is entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After entering your email and password, tap the Login button. Wait for the app to authenticate your credentials. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard displaying charging information. To optimize charging schedules, tap on the Settings icon. Select Charging Schedule from the menu options. Here, you can set specific times for charging. Choose your preferred charging start and end times. You can also adjust settings for peak and off-peak hours. You can now monitor your charging schedule directly from the dashboard. If you need to log out, return to the Settings menu. Tap on the Logout option to exit your account. You have successfully learned how to log in and optimize charging schedules using the JuiceBox app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.